so we can play in the snow and make a snowman. Yes, Anya. But now it's summer. Oh, I am getting a sunburn. Let's go back. Okay. Okay. But I wanted winter. You can't. You can't. Mommy won't allow us. But Anya, okay. Let's stay here. I want to make it winter. But first, I need to get some ice power. Oh no! I will get ice power. And ding! Winter! Whee! Winter! Oh, it's so cold. Wait, Anya, what are you doing here? I wanted winter, but I made a mistake. I'm so sorry. Sweetie, do not do that again.